Let's begin with 3 dad jokes. Where does a sheep go to get its hair cut? The barber's. And where did the cat go to replace its tail? The retail store. And when is a door not a door? When it's ajar. Great jokes, but not so great grammar. Did you spot the 3 mistakes? Yes, this is a really common mistake in English. It's and its, 2 simple words that look the same except for that sneaky apostrophe. They actually have 2 completely different meanings. If you don't know the difference, then keep on watching. It's time to start.
It's uses an apostrophe to show that it is a contraction of 2 words. It's a short way of writing it is or it has. For example, it's snowing means it is snowing. And it's been a great day means it has been a great day. We use contractions to make our writing less formal. On the other hand, it's without the apostrophe is a special type of word known as a possessive pronoun. It's shows something belongs to or is connected to something else. For example, the restaurant was famous for its hot wings. It is with this it's that most mistakes are made. So let's examine possessive pronouns in more detail. Sometimes an apostrophe is used to indicate possession. Kate's dog shows that the dog is owned by Kate. Dad's lawnmower shows that the lawnmower belongs to Dad. The girl's bicycle makes it clear that the girl owns the bicycle. The boy's bedroom shows us that more than one boy shares the bedroom. In all of these sentences, an apostrophe is needed to show possession. However, with possessive pronouns his, her, and its, no apostrophe is needed. For example, the boy fed his goldfish. Mum started her car. The tree lost its leaves. His is used when the owner is male. Her is used when the owner is female. And its is used for objects. The clock chimed its melody. The boat had lost most of its paint. I dropped my phone and cracked its screen. It is often used for animals when we are not aware of what gender they are, or when the gender of the animal seems unimportant. The cat was curled up in its bed. The bird returned to its nest. The elephant flapped its ears.
Finally, a top tip. When you do write its with an apostrophe, always check it is correct by reading it through without using the contracted words. You'll soon spot if it's wrong. The cat wants it is dinner? No, that's wrong. It is a wonderful day today? Yep, that sounds right. The flower opened it is petals? No, that's wrong. It has been a long time since I saw him. Yes, that sounds right. The movie has a great cast and it has won lots of awards. That sounds fine.
It's time to apply what you've learnt. In the following 5 sentences, should I use it's with an apostrophe or it's without one? Here we are showing possession. The tail belongs to the dog, so we need the possessive pronoun its. This time we are shortening it is, so we need its with the apostrophe. Again, we need the contraction of it is, so the apostrophe is needed. The tiles belong to the roof, and to indicate this, we will need to use the possessive pronoun its. The power belongs to the laptop, or did before it ran out. So we once again need the possessive pronoun its. No apostrophe needed.